everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Monday. I wanted to get this video up over the weekend, but I just couldn't do it. Trying to get everything put back in my kitchen now that it's finished. I had to empty out all my pots, pans, everything out of my cabinets. So I had to clean every single cabinet out because they were full of dirt and dust and everything else. So finally getting there, almost done. So I'll probably show you guys on Friday how it came out. What's done so far. I still need to paint my cabinets and stuff, but we'll get there. Anyway, I made a trip to Ross because I wanted to get a few new things for the kitchen. I don't know why I don't go there more often, even though I do end up buying more things there than I need, but they have such nice stuff. So I'm going to flip you guys around here and I'll show you what I got. It's not a huge haul. It's kind of small, but got a lot of nice things. So let me flip you around here. All right. First thing I got was some new trivets. Mine, I always have wooden ones. I don't know why. I shouldn't even bother with wooden ones with my birds around, but I don't let my parrots out in the kitchen much anymore. But I did pick up two. It's a 2-pack, and it was $7.99 compared to $11, it says. I'm going to pop these open. The wood on these things were just so pretty. I didn't want to open them first because they look so nice all wrapped up. Way back. I have no oomph anymore either, I'll tell you what. There we go. Got it. There. Oh, I actually made it in the garbage can. But they have these nice little rubber feet on them. That one's kind of messed up. But nice little rubber feet on the bottom so they don't slide. And look how nice and thick they are. And the wood is just so pretty. It probably did say what kind of wood this is. I just threw it away. But I'll have to grab that and see. But yeah, look at the different wood tones in there. I thought those were really, really nice. The other wooden ones I had for, oh my gosh, I couldn't tell you how many years I had my other ones. But they were pretty beat up. And I want some nice new ones for my kitchen. Alright, also got some new cutting boards because my old ones are really showing their wear. And they have the most gorgeous cutting boards at Ross. This one is 7.9 by 13 inches. And I love the ones that have the little groove here. I call them the juice catchers. These are really nice. This Acacia board wood. Oh, it's a juice well, see? I wasn't wrong. But yeah, look at just the woods on these are so pretty. This one was, I don't know what the price was on this one. Oh, here it is. This one was $6.99. And I'll tell you what, I've looked other places for these nice, big, thick, heavy cutting boards, and they are much more than that. So I got that one, and I like the handles on these two. This one's really heavy. This one's a 9 by 13. That one's a 7 by 13. But same kind of wood and stuff. And this one was also $7.99. And they're just so nice and heavy. My other ones were thin. I've gotten a lot of them like from Dollar Tree. Even in the plus section, they were like $5. But they're all warped and really ugly looking now. So I said I need some new ones. And these are just gorgeous. And then I got this nice big one here for like you can put a chicken on it or whatever. It's a 12 by 15. Again, they're all pretty much, I think, well, this is Cook's Supply Company. These are different company. But how much was this one? This was $9.99. So I thought that was a pretty nice price too for this. So pretty. So now I'm good with my nice new cutting boards and my nice new trivets. And I don't know why my bird is out there screaming. I got some new microfiber cloths. These are really nice. Cozy cloth. They are, trying to read here. Oh, here they are. 12 by 12. Ultra soft microfiber. And you get, oh my god, that bird's driving me nuts. It's a 10-pack for $5.99. I like the colors too. They're really pretty. I don't know what my bird sees outside. Something is driving her crazy. But anyway, got some new cleaning cloths. I need some new dish cloths. I like these for like, you know, like wiping down the appliances and even in the bathroom stuff. I love the nice microfiber cloths. Picked up a couple rugs. The one I already put in my husband's room. because my husband's side of the bed is what I'm trying to say. Because his was the edging on his came apart on his side there of the bed, and I tried to vacuum over it, and it just wrapped around my vacuum and pulled like crazy. So anyway, got a new accent rug. This is 20 by 34, and this was only $5.49, and has the nice rubber back to it. I used to get all my rugs at Bed Bath & Beyond before they went bye-bye. That was very sad that they left. But they were really expensive. I probably would have paid like $25 for this rug at Bed Bath & Beyond. But that was always my go-to store because it was nice close by. Anyway, I got him 2 of these rugs. I got him a blue one too. Just so something nice to step on when you get out of bed. But yeah, for some reason that one... Oh my God, why is she screaming? She's driving me nuts. Hope she's not driving you guys nuts. You need something nice on your tootsies when you get out of bed. Alright, they also had these. They had these Knott's Berry Farms Premium Strawberry Shortbread Cookies. These are so... I love these things. I don't get them very often. I haven't had them in a long time, honestly. But they have these here. It comes in... There's 6 individual bags in here. There's quite a few in each bag. It just says 6 servings per container, 1 package. There was quite a few. I have the strawberry, and I also got raspberry, which I left out in the living room. But same packaging, same thing, exact same stuff. And this was $4.99. But it was they're very, very good. Love those. I got some stuff for my puppies. Oh, let me show you this first. I have one of these that I got from Temu. This is one of those brooms that stand up, and you know, it has the nice long handle and your dustpan on here, so you don't have to bend down. And then it has the little teeth here to clean your broom, get all the hair off of it and everything. The one I got from Temu was fine. It's kind of wearing out, and I've had it for quite a few years. And this was just a little bit heavier material, so got me a new one of those. And they had them in a couple different colors. There was blue, gray, and I don't know why that bird is screaming. She's driving me crazy. Alright, let's power on here. I'm going to go out and get pee in a minute when I'm done here, and then I will see what her issue is. Got some nice dog toys. Now, these were a really good price compared to what you pay for dog toys out. This was $5.99. You couldn't even get one of these for $5.99 like in the grocery store. Look how cute they are, little monkeys. But they got nice crinkly things in there. And yeah, my one dog, Luna, my Pomsky, she will have that squeaker out of there in no time flat. I always have to keep an eye out for that. But my other little dogs, they love this crinkly stuff. And she'll carry these things around with her for a while until they get destroyed. And also got them these. There's a little green apple and a red apple. And these were what? $4.99 for 2. And these don't squeak real loud. I can't even find the squeaky. It's in there. Oh, there it is. See, I can live with that. Those really loud squeaky ones, like my bird out there is being squeaky right now, drive me crazy. But yeah, I thought those were really cute too. They have all kinds of stuff at Ross. I never have the patience to look at their clothes because there's just so much that I haven't looked at all. I picked this up. This is London Fog Pet Collection. This was $4.99 for 80 of these little eye wipes. Now, my one little Chihuahua, she's real white around the face, and by her eyes, she always has those dark-looking things. And they're just, you put these on your finger just to clean out those little corners of the eye there to get that brown off of it. It says eye wipes with aloe. There's 80 finger wipes in here, so I'm hoping they'll work nice for her. Because I can't stand seeing it. And my one cat, too, well, my only cat that I have left, my old kitty, he's 16 now, and he always has nasty eye corners. And then I also picked up some moisturizing dog shampoo. This is BioSilk. They have a lot of nice name brand things for good price. This was $6.99. It's moisturizing shampoo. I'm trying to see what else it says in here about it. It's sulfate free. And then it's in a different language. But yeah, it smelled really nice, so that's why I got it. My little dogs, they need to, now that I have my sink back, they need to go in there because they're a little dirty. Not too bad, but a little bit. And then I picked up this big Barkeeper's Friend, the soft scrub. I love this. Really nice on your stainless steel sinks and stuff. Or you can use it on cookware, tubs, tile, all kinds of stuff. I like the powder stuff too, to scrub different things down with. But this I like the best for, you know, anything to scratch or whatever. And so yeah, this is a nice 24-ounce bottle, or 26 ounces. And it was $3.49. I don't know, I might be able to get a better deal or something at Walmart, but you know what? I was there, so I just grabbed it there. I don't know, though. That sounds like a pretty decent price for 26 ounces of this. But that is it. That is what I picked up at Ross. I was very excited to get my new goodies for my kitchen and my cookies and all this stuff. So I'm going to take this stuff out of here. I'll go grab little P so he can come in and say hi real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, here's little P. Say hi, everybody. Hi, you hanging out? He was hanging out on his PlayStation in the kitchen. While your daddy's trying to finish hooking up that dishwasher. That thing gave us a run for our money. It would have been probably worth the money to pay somebody to do it. But it's getting there. It's almost done. That's the last piece of the puzzle in the kitchen as far as appliances. Yay! Are you excited? You're not any more excited than I am to have a sink back again. Yeah. No, don't get down here. Do you want one of your toys? Let me see if I can find one over here. Hang on. Oh, here you have a smaller one. Let's go for a smaller one here. Because we're not going to stay too long, P, because we got to get this video up because I'm already really late. Because I had 2 appointments this morning. I told you Friday that this week is just jammed with appointments. They always, I mean, some of these appointments I only go to like once every 6 months, and my husband, same thing, but they always seem to fall the same week. Yeah. So it was blood work, then it was injection, and then it's Daddy's dermatology appointment, and then it's my neurology appointment, and now I have to go back for more blood work next Monday. Trying to keep an eye on my kidneys and stuff because this medication has really done a number on them. So, you don't want your toy? You look sleepy. I know, it's that time of day. Mama's late getting stuff done today. What can I say? But we were gone all morning. Sorry. Do you want to go back out with Daddy and help him put in the dishwasher? This eye on this side is like half closed and you're still peeking out of the other eye. Huh. Are you sleepy? Yeah, we're not going to keep everybody too long today. Just thought maybe you'd want to come in here and say hi, but you're really not in the mood, are you? No, not really. He's more in the mood for sitting on somebody's lap and taking a napper. I hear you, P. I could go for a good napper too. Yep, because I had to get up at 6 o'clock to get ready to go running around again to these appointments. Luckily, the rest of our appointments this week are not first thing in the morning. Well, thank goodness my husband's isn't, because that's an hour and a half away. So, glad that's not early, bright and early. You don't want your chewy today? Oh, you want a brother bite my finger? Whoa. Whoa, get that beaky of yours. And get your beaky. What do you think? And sometime this week, I've got to figure out when. I don't even know what day I'm going to be able to get to the Dollar Tree. But I'll get there. Because, yeah, we'll get there. Uh-oh, now the dogs are barking again. I do have a package coming from Amazon today. So maybe that's what that's about. Or there could just be somebody walking down the street. Because Layla, my chihuahua, she thinks she's in charge. Right? Alright, well, it's getting crazy out there. Oh, listen to them bark. Daddy's going to be having a fit because he's working on the dishwasher. Alright, well, tell everybody have a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys all on Friday. Have a great day, everyone.